Until 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Montgomery and northeastern Harris counties. At 1:10 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Atascocita, or near Humble, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, central Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 1:23 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kendleton, Oregon, 10 miles southwest of Rosenberg, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sugar Land, Missouri City, Rosenberg, Stafford, Bel Air, West University Place, Richmond, Hunters Creek Village, Bunker Hill Village, Piney Point Village, Mission Bend, Town West, Pecan Grove, Eldridge, or West Oaks, Spring Branch West, First Colony, Addicts Park 10, Spring Branch North, Spring Valley and Astrodome area. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in League City. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery and northeastern Harris counties will expire at 1:30 p.m. Central Standard. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Gulf County in Florida, Wakulla County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Liberty County in Big Bend, Florida, southeastern Leon County in Big Bend, Florida, Franklin County in Big Bend, Florida, until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 9:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 8:45 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 18 miles west of Crawfordville to 20 miles south of Port St. Joe, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carnival, St. Mark's, East Point, Apalachicola, Woodville, Crawfordville, St. George Island, Wakulla, Franklin, South Choppy, Cheetahville, Leon Sinks, Royal Bluff, Wakulla Springs, St. George Island, St. Park, 8 Mile Pond, Beverly, Panacea, Poplar Camp, and Menard. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 10 a.m. Central Standard Time for Big Bend and the Panhandle of Florida. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 10 a.m. Central Standard Time for Big Bend and the Panhandle of Florida. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Florida: Franklin, Leon, Liberty, and Wakulla. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawaha River, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Ocklawaha River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, Coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Swamee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 10:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 8:28 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Port St. Joe to 46 nautical miles southwest of Empire Micah Wreck, moving north at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include O Tower, K Tower, South Tower, V Tower, Empire Micah Wreck, Apalachicola, C Tower, Cape San Blas, St. George Island, and Marker 24 Barge. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or 10 a.m. Central Standard Time for Big Bend of the Panhandle of Florida and the adjacent coastal waters.